Hello everyone and welcome to the Tuesday night edition of Insider Financial Talk Stocks. My name is Alex Carlson and I will be your host today, the editor-in-chief of InsiderFinancial.com, and in this video we will recap today's market action and discuss our trading plan for tomorrow. And if you wait until the end of the video, I will talk about a penny stock that was up over 100% at one point today and how to find plays like this and also how to trade them. But first, if you want our free alerts, click the link in the description or go to signup.insiderfinancial.com or sign up on any of the pop-ups on insiderfinancial.com with your email. After you sign up with your email, you can then sign up with your mobile number. Mobile is the fastest way to get all of our alerts, and we send all of our alerts out pre-market before the opening bell at 9:30 a.m. To sign up with your mobile, simply enter your country code first, followed by your number. For US and Canada, be 1 plus area code and number. Never begin the format with 0. It will not work. And after you sign up, you will get a welcome email, which includes a free copy of the Insider Financial Guide to Penny Stocks ebook. Our ebook, our email service, and our text messaging services are all free services from InsiderFinancial.com. We do not run any paid subscription service whatsoever. No Telegram chat rooms, no Discord rooms whatsoever. With that out of the way, today was a very choppy day. Markets took a pause after rallying the past 2 days. QQQ is at a major trendline resistance. If you go to FinViz and you type in QQQ, you can see what I'm talking about here. Right here, this is major trendline resistance. I was hoping Microsoft earnings would be enough to power us through there and rally to 300, but right now markets are taking a pause in the after hours. Speaking of Microsoft shares at one point climbed 5% in after hours trading as the software giant reported fiscal second quarter earnings. The earnings surpassed expectations and sales of cloud and office services and products grew from a year ago. However, there was weakness in personal computing. Windows, Xbox, and other products fell by 19% a year ago to $14.2 billion. So Microsoft, on their earnings, they beat expectations, but these were downgraded earnings expectations. But overall, business was weaker from a year ago. Chief Executive Satya Nadella, he says he's focused on putting more resources into AI. That's not a surprise after the company confirmed a multi-year, multi-billion-dollar investment in Chat GPT developer OpenAI. But if you look at as I said, the profit declined more than 12% in the holiday season, and executives said that a revenue deceleration at the end of 2022 is expected to continue into the new year as the company lays off workers. CFO Amy Hood said in a conference call that we are seeing customers exercise caution, which resulted in moderating consumption growth in Azure and lower than expected growth in new business in December. She said that we expect business trends that we saw at the end of December to continue into the current quarter, and projected revenue will come in roughly $1 billion or more lower than Wall Street expected. So we were up over 4% at one point, almost 5%. And we reversed in the after hours. We closed at 242, trading at 239 as after hours closed. Let's see what else is going on here. The stock was higher, but it turned after the CFO started talking, and it also contributed to weakness in Amazon. Let's see here. Let's see what we were doing. Revenue increased $52.75 billion from $51.7 billion. So again, not gangbuster growth. Analysts on average expected an earnings of $2.29 a share. Came in at $2.31. For the current quarter, Microsoft executives expect revenue of $50.5 billion to $51.5 billion. Analysts on average were expecting $52.42 billion. In terms of Amazon, this pertains to Amazon Azure, the cloud computing service that competes squarely with Amazon's AWS, grew revenue by 31% year over year. That slightly exceeded Wall Street's forecast, but it was still a record low pace for the business. Things also aren't looking like they will get much better anytime soon. And that is why Amazon is also closed 96.32, trading under 95 in the after hours. Let's move over here, and then tomorrow, and speaking of Amazon, this is one play that I have on my radar screen. I said if we get above 100, we're going to most likely run to 110. If you look here at the daily chart, an example of what we saw here doing this is Disney. We got through 100. Past 3 days just been absolutely rallying. Last week you could have picked up Disney 105 calls expiring this Friday for 17 cents. They're trading at they closed at 188 today, so that's a 10x in the past week. And right now, I've been doing a lot of options trading here for my personal account. I've been seeing a lot of opportunities there. If you want options plays, we usually alert on terms of news and penny stocks and what's going on. If you want options play, please leave a comment below and let me know. We could look at adding options plays to our free newsletter. So leave us a comment below, and also click that link in the description and sign up for all of our alerts. But tomorrow, after the bell, we get Tesla earnings. And the company has already reported that it delivered 405,000 vehicles in Q4. But investors will be laser focused on what the pullouts are from the recent price cuts and buyer reactions to the EV tax credit timing, and the analysis on the overall gross margins. There is also a question of deliveries guidance for 2023. Tesla has issued a generic multi-year around 50% growth target for volume that may need to be revised in the new climate. Musk needs to rip the band-aid off and lay a more realistic delivery target for 2023, so the street will have confidence in this number. Oppenheimer noted the expectations on Tesla are shifting quickly following the price drops on some key models. They think the EV maker is making a proactive move to capture incentives as well as reset prices on EVs in key markets to help protect the company's market position and apply pressure on competition from cash flow. However, the reality is that automotive manufacturing margins are likely to fall in the near term. Oppenheimer believes that if Tesla is able to maintain gross margins in the mid-20s through the first half of the year and move incrementally higher during the year, shares are likely to trade higher on earnings leverage potential. But the main wild card to be watched also will be Elon Musk, if he can calm investors over the Twitter distraction. Also, we're going to look for an appearance by Tom Zhu, who was recently appointed to handle Tesla's U.S. assembly plants and sales operations in North America and Europe as additional responsibility. There is some speculation that Zhu's promotion makes him a candidate to be the eventual successor to Musk. The thing is, also there was news, Tesla will build heavy trucks at a new factory in Nevada, the $3.6 billion investment, which also includes a new battery factory. So there's been talk about, first unveiled in 2017, there hasn't been much news on the Tesla Semi. So if this gets rolled out, this will certainly get the market excited again. And I'm talking about these plays because this is what determines the overall direction of the, SPY, QQQ. That's the overall sentiment, which then filters down into penny stocks, meme stocks, etc. So, if you get a overall bullish market, SPY, QQQ running, that is then what gets people excited about, penny stocks, OTC plays, meme stocks. But right now it's sort of a pause. Volume on the OTC was just 747 million today. Very, very, very weak. So again, right now you have to play everything on a case-by-case or trade-by-trade basis. I can't stress this enough. Penny stocks, trade them, don't own them. Two penny stocks I talked about in my last video, BOXD, up just under 4% today, but BTB was a nice day today, up 23%. But the big runner today was BIAF. Go over here and you look at the 15-minute chart here, and it was just a great day here in BIAF. So again, the news this morning came out at 8 a.m. The company announced publication results of clinical trial in peer-reviewed journal Respiratory Research. And the market really liked this one, the news, and it just, you got this green candle right at the open, 15-minute, and then we just powered higher throughout the day. So again, guys, what we do here at InsiderFinancial.com is we scan the markets every morning looking for news, catalysts that can drive stock prices. And then we send out a full report letting you know what we think and also putting them on your radar. We are not financial advisors. We're just trying to put things on your radar. The rest is up to you. I don't talk during intraday about how to trade or what I'm doing. That's not what I'm trying to do here. There's no time. If anyone is truly trading, you don't have time to be tweeting during the day. You're busy in the markets, watching, making your own decisions. And, you know, if you look at the plays today that we saw in terms of pennies that a lot of people were talking about, GROM. You know, you got this opening range here, and then it just sold off. Finally, at the end of the day, rallied higher, but there was not much money to be made in GROM. So again, headline is it's up 44%, but if you were really trading, if you weren't in yesterday and you were trying to trade GROM, you most likely lost money today. BXRX, another one, closed up 32%. So people are saying, a winner. It's not a winner. If you weren't in yesterday, and guys, you know, people saying, oh, we loaded, we were in early. Look, no one knew that news was coming out on BXRX. If you knew, you got inside information. So BXRX has not been doing anything. You got news last night, gapped higher, and then you get, you know, just totally sold into this. So if you were trading BXRX, you lost money today. So it's why I talk about the opening range, guys. Let the market open. Ignore the pre-market noise. Let the market open. Let it shake out and then decide what it wants to do. And it just, you see here, this is the opening range, and it just sold off throughout the day. It'll save you a lot of headaches if you adapt this type of trading strategy. NVOS, another one, just been sold off at the open. And same thing, Bed Bath & Beyond. Up 15%, but really did nothing today. So just a choppy day in Bed Bath & Beyond based on the opening range. So again, this is what I use. This is what allows, you know, helps me profit. I've been trading a long time, and it's at the end of the day, guys, it's all about, you know, I know a lot of people talking about naked shorting and, you know, trying to, you know, make silly arguments. And when I say silly arguments, it doesn't matter who is right or wrong. All that matters is, are you making money? At the end of the day, that's all that matters. It's all about putting food on the table for your family, having a P&L, and being a profitable trader. And that's what we're trying to do here. We're trying to help you guys here at InsiderFinancial.com as much as possible. And that's why if you sign up, you get that free ebook that talks about a lot of these strategies to help make you a profitable trader. But guys, we will be doing a pre-market scan as like we always are. If we see anything, you know, again, actionable, we will be sending out an alert to subscribers. Sign up with your email and your mobile. Mobile is the fastest way to get all of our alerts. Finally, guys, Insider Financial and myself are not investment advisors. Videos not provide investment advice. Always do your own research, make your own investment decisions, or consult with your nearest financial advisor. This video is not a solicitation or recommendation to buy, sell, or hold securities. This video is our opinions meant for informational, educational purposes only, and does not provide investment advice. Thanks for watching. Also, smash that like button and hit the notification bell to be notified when new videos uploaded, and leave a comment if you want options plays. Good luck, guys. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.